customer that just reached out to me that the screen is showing inside. What I mean by the brightness of the screen is showing inside instead of outside. So there's this fluorescence at the back of the screen. So and the screen also has a motherboard. So I'm trying to fix it and service it to see if it's going to work out. But if not, that means it's going to change the screen totally. So follow me, let's go. The first thing I need to do, I have to remove the battery, which I did. I've disconnected the battery from the motherboard. Then I'm going to remove the screen by detaching the signal cable from it. So at the back of this, foil liner, there's a motherboard at the back. This is to prevent any liquid from the motherboard. So I grab my spirit and my toothbrush to surface the motherboard. I'll dip in the brush inside the screen, then dust it out a little bit. Don't let the spirit too much on it. Then you brush out the motherboard and leave it for a while to dry up.
5 minutes later.
I'm closing it back. So guys, let's test the screen together. I'm going to connect my battery. The power icon. It's going to take a while because I removed the battery, so it's going to do a reset, seamless reset. So voila, it's back. So that works. Eventually that works. Thank God it works. But if it doesn't work next time, that means you have to replace your screen totally. Total replacement. Thank you and follow for more.